Welcome on in, everybody, to the Faithful Studios. It is Friday, and thank you for joining me today. Whoa. Hey, just tell them to subscribe already. Once they subscribe, hit the bell. They're going to be notified of all your videos that go off. All their devices will light up and they can come give it a thumbs up and comment. Jeez Louise. Getting interrupted in my own channel. Today, we are going to review a company that we unboxed Monday. I had a chance to sit down with him and interview him, talk on the phone with him, and find out more about his company. So we're going to do that. I'm going to show you all about it. I got a little bit of B-roll, and I'm going to tell you about the Sunday night live stream, how the products felt, and give them a final FRS score for the week right after this. So if you didn't watch the unboxing on Monday, we came in at an initial FRS rating for Kraken Skulls. That's right, it's Kraken Skulls. And I gave them an initial FRS score of an 8.5. And for those of you that might be new here, the FRS score is basically my way to rank out companies based on how their oils, balms, butters, washes, co-washes, website, presentation, communication is in the community, how it felt to me. I give them all a score, 1 through 10, and then we add them up and we give them a final score. So then you can go to the website, faithfullybearded.com, and you can see all the companies that I've reviewed and how I rank them out. So when you're looking for new beard products, you can go to the one-stop shop, Faithfully Bearded, on YouTube for visual reviews, the Faithfully Bearded podcast for audio reviews, and then the website where you can get linked to my other reviews and see all the companies ranked out. So the first thing we do is we tell you a little bit about the company. And Kraken Skulls is a company out of Fayetteville, North Carolina, and he is a retired Army veteran, and he just retired on August 1st. And you know, being in the military, you're always kind of like, I want that beard, but I can't really have it. And he actually worked himself up in the military long enough that he got to wear his beard on duty. He spent a lot of time in Afghanistan and Iraq on duty, and he noticed that they had really nice beards, and it got him interested in how they groom and maintain their beards. So when he got back, he decided, you know what, I want to kind of mess around with my own products, see what works for me, what makes my beard feel good, and helps give it volume and strength. So he came up with this amazing logo, this amazing design, and decided to call it Kraken Skulls. Now, with that, he's only been in business for a few months, but he seems to really know his stuff. He's got good ingredients in here and really good scents to start off. But we'll get into that more with the oil. So he started his company, decided to go online, decided to go local, and through using his own products, he entered a beard competition recently. Now, he placed third for styled beards. How crazy is that? So that's the proof right there for him that, you know what, this is good enough to sell and market. But not only do I want to sell beard oil and beard products, I want to get into men's grooming, men's care in general. Men are often not ones to want to wash themselves or brush their teeth or anything like that. So if I can give them the one-stop shop for them all, that's my mission. So the owner's name is Chad, if I didn't mention that already, and he was just really down to earth, great guy to talk to, and I had a blast talking with him. So that's a little bit of backstory on the company and some info to get you guys started. Now let's jump into the oils, and let's talk about the oils here a little bit. So when you get an oil, you get this 1 ounce bottle here. And with this 1 ounce bottle, you have a really nice waterproof label all the way around it. And then you do have a pump top on the top here. So I'm not going to go into too terribly much detail on this. The design is really nice. I love the logo that they have, and here you can see a little bit more of the logo. Let me show you. A little bit more of the logo right there. And you have that right here on the beard oil. Now you have a pump top, and a lot of people say with pump tops, like, I don't like pump top maybe because it runs down, or I don't like pump top for this or this or this reason. And I'm kind of back and forth on them. You know, an eyedropper or a pump top doesn't really matter to me. I can make them both work. I have experience where you try to pump them out and it kind of just drools down the bottle and then you get your bottle all nasty. But these are high pump tops. Like, they are high capacity pump tops. Extra duty, heavy duty, non-breakable. They're not going to biodegrade. I don't know. I'm rambling now. But let me just give you a demo of this. And this could get a slight messy. But if I hold this here, and then I hold my hand right here, and I pump it, did you see that squirt? Like, that is high accuracy. It doesn't run down. It doesn't do anything like that. It floats right out, hits the hand, and you got a nice little spritz in your hand to put up in your beard. So when I look at the label and the design, I like it. I think it's really nice. I think it looks good on the shelf. And I did give him a little bit of advice to maybe have an option on the website to include eyedropper or pump top. Let customers pick what they want for those of you that do like the eyedropper still. So that option might be coming soon as well. As far as the ingredients, I can't complain with anything on the ingredients here. So with the ingredients, you have grapeseed oil, coconut oil, argan kernel oil, jojoba seed oil, tocopherol, rosemary leaf extract, and then the fragrance blend. Now on some of these he does use essential oils, some he uses fragrance oils. To me, it doesn't matter. I just want a scent that lasts. So I had an opportunity to review Cool Breeze, and this is kind of his take on cool water. I think it was great. It's the cologne scented line for those of you that like colognes. It's going to give you that cologne scent, that cologne feel, and the feel in beard with these oils is really, really nice. I could put it on in the morning. I could have a scent on this one or the citrus one. I could have them last, 4 to 6 hours. On the tobacco, on the Cuban one, that one was lasting me 10 plus hours. It was a really good long scent. So this here is the Morning Breeze one. You saw a pretty good close-up on the unboxing here. And this is kind of realistically, your citrus scent is what I get out of it. Let's see. Yeah, it's just really orangey and citrusy. It's like when you slice open an orange, some of that orange juice bursts into your face and gets you, and then you smell it. So maybe that's where the morning burst came from, because he was slicing an orange and it burst up into his face. I don't really know. But then you have cognac and Cubans. This scent was the winner for me. This smells like old school Levi Garrett, straight up tobacco. You get a little bit of something else in there, but you're getting the tobacco through and through. And throughout the day, I continued to smell it. So this might be your tobacco scent that's for you if you like that old school Levi Garrett tobacco scent. This is not your sweet tobacco scent that we're accustomed to maybe from other tobacco scents. This is going to be your more masculine Levi Garrett tobacco scent. So if you're into that, this is for you. If you're not into that, I would stray away from this one and try out one of the cologne scents or the Morning Burst or a few of the other scents that he has on there. So with the oils, we have a good feel, good scents. We have a nice presentation with the oils. So I can rate the oils confidently on the FRS scale, just the oils here, at 9.0. It was really actually 9.02 the way the math equals out, but I'm going to take that to a 9.0 and we can move on. So here you have the Balms. You got a 2-ounce twist top lid. You got the nice label design on there. You got a label design on the back. It just looks really good. You can twist these off here. You can take a look at the balm there. This balm consistency is really a smooth, a light hold balm. This is more your moisturizing balm. You could wear this to bed at night. You could put it on to hold moisture in throughout the day. But this is not a hard hold balm. I got a little hold out of it, not a ton of hold. And he doesn't really label the hold on them. But when you look at the ingredients here, you have grapeseed oil, coconut oil, beeswax shea butter, apricot oil, jojoba oil, tocopherol, and rosemary leaf extract. But I would say the beeswax, the shea butter are on the lighter end of things because this is a pretty soft balm. Take a look here how it comes out. If I just grab my nail, I can get it out really easy. See, I didn't take a ton there, but it comes out pretty easy. I can kind of push in here, and you can see it spreading. So it's a pretty soft balm. Nothing that's like mush, but it's really soft, it's smooth, and it melts down in your hand really easily. Really easily. As far as the feel in beard, it feels really good to me in the beard. The scents are on point, the design is on point. When you smell these, the scents smell just like the oils in my opinion. So I'm confident with the balms as well to give them an FRS rating at 8.9. I like a little bit more of a hold with my balm, but I really love the scent, the ingredients, and the duration with it. So a little bit lower than the oils just because I really enjoy a little bit of a hold in it. This is kind of borderline butter to me, a moisturizing butter. So this is going to be your moisturizing balm. Not knocking that, it's just got to be your style if that's what you choose. Then with the FRS scale, we would normally move on to butter, co-wash, wash. He didn't have any of these or send any of these out for me to test out or to review, so we just skip those. They get NAs, they don't hurt the company score, and they don't help it as well. It's just a non-compliant category. So the last thing we give an FRS score to is the company, and we rate them based on their communication, their design, their website, their overall variety that they have, and with Kraken Skulls, it is pretty amazing. If you head on over to the website, you can see that he's got nail clipper, men's nail grooming kits for like $5 or $10, and they look like stainless steel black. They look really nice. He's got beard wash, he's got hair paste, toothpaste, body wash, all sorts of different male grooming products, and some of them are out of stock. He's getting more into it as we go. He's got a beard butter that's in the process. He's got swag. You got shirts, you got hats, you got beanies, you got tank tops, you got shower caddy bags. You got so many different cool things with an awesome logo on it. How could you not be impressed with the variety that he offers? Now, as far as scents, he's kind of wants to stay around that 6 scent area. 2 tobacco, 2 cologne, and 2 bubblegum type scents, he calls them. I think with that, 6 scent variety is pretty awesome. I love the variety of other products that he has on his website. I feel like I could go there and get all my men's grooming in one. As far as communication, I got his phone number. We've texted, we've emailed, we've Facebooked. He does not have an Instagram because somebody stole his name. But he does not have an Instagram, so as far as all of you that are involved in the Instagram world, you're not really going to see him on there, but you can rest assured just to reach out to him on Facebook or through his website contact, and he will communicate with you. I've never had a problem with that in the couple months that I've been talking to him, or at all this review week. The presentation was nice. I showed you guys that on Monday. Again, we had some swag that he offered. His labels look nice, his design is nice, so the presentation is great. As far as the pricing of the products, you're looking at $15 for a balm and $17.95, I believe, for an oil. So $17 and $15, I believe he's going to do a bundle where you can get both for $30. So I think they're right on par with everybody else, maybe a little bit higher than some, lower than some for sure. I think they're right in that median range of price, and I think the product's worth it. So when I rate the company's FRS score, I add all those up, subtract them out, and for the company itself, as far as communication, presentation, design, variety, website, we're giving them today an 8.8. I think if he had an Instagram, he'd be up a little bit higher than that, but that variety and the website just blows me away. It's a lot of great stuff on there, a lot of things I could see myself using in the future. So now we give the company an FRS rating that's going to go on the website, this final FRS rating for this review. And what we're going to do is add up all the categories that we did, divide them by 3, so we get the average rating of everything, and we give them the whole kit and caboodle, the Kraken Skulls FRS rating. And we're going to come in today, we're going to crack the skull. I'm going to crack this FRS rating open today at 8.9. 8.9 for Kraken Skulls on the FRS rating scale. And again, you can go to faithfullybearded.com and see how I've ranked everybody, see where they all stack up. But 8.9, I think Chad is doing amazing things over there. And for a company that's really only been selling for 4 months, he's off to a hot start. He's got some products that I think you guys need to see. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a live stream Sunday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Time right here on this faithful channel. And we're going to give away 2 shirts, one size large, one size extra large, to somebody that is interactive in these videos and then comes to the live stream on Sunday and is there to claim their reward. So if you want to give away, I'm also going to sponsor myself a oil and balm giveaway from Kraken Skulls. And again, be interactive on the YouTube channel. Give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, give comments, leave comments on other people's comments, give thumbs up to other people comment. You got to be interactive in this faithful community, in this bearded community, because that helps everybody grow. It gets your name out there, it gets you some recognition, it helps the channel grow. So we're going to do that on Sunday night. So please join us Sunday night to be on the live stream and win something from Kraken Skulls. I'm going to see if I can get him on camera with us if he's not busy, to answer some questions and tell you the story of Kraken Skulls himself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you go out and do something nice for somebody today. Hold the door open for your wife, your spouse, an old lady. Take somebody's trash to the curb and just spread the light of Jesus Christ however you can through yourself. So until I talk to you guys again soon, I hope you have a fantabulous rest of your day and a great start to your weekend. I will see you guys Sunday night right here on this channel for a live stream. Let me know below what you think of Kraken Skulls and what you think of this review. So until then, you guys have a blessed day, and God bless you all.